This home isn't just about the awe-inspiring bay views and brilliant sunsets that fill the spacious residence. It was chosen for its rare combination of oceanside living while offering bayfront vistas. This 4-bedroom, 3-full-bath nautical getaway offers the best of both worlds. The interior is generous in size and features classic island architecture, boasting expansive windows and sliding doors that allow for a harmonious integration with the captivating landscape. Equipped with the finest culinary conveniences, the Epicurean's kitchen includes quality custom cabinetry, a large granite-topped island, professional-style appliances, and a walk-in pantry. Giving a separate but open feel, the well-appointed space flows to the dining area that functions beautifully for intimate or large gatherings. A dining deck, complete with gas grill, can be accessed from the sliders to maximize your guests' dining experience. The well-thought-out floor plan continues to a privately arranged bedroom with sliders to a private deck overlooking the bay. This bedroom has direct access to a beautifully adorned hall full bath, complete with glass-enclosed shower with pond stone flooring and a laundry area complete with custom cabinetry over granite counters. Up a level, as you ascend the generously sized staircase, a view-filled window draws your eye to the surrounding waterscape. A master suite awaits as a relaxing sanctuary that covers the entire southern elevation, featuring a sitting area, sliders to a private deck, and a fully customized wardrobe closet with built-ins. The resplendent master bath features custom cabinetry, double vanities, a dressing table, and multi-spray walk-in shower. This generously sized floor plan continues to 2 privately arranged bedrooms, one with glass doors to a deck, and a 3rd full bath boasts double vanities and a cast iron tub, all beautifully adorned with complementary finishes. Custom built in 2014, additional features include maintenance-free vinyl shakes and siding, Azak trim, Trex decking, a master awning, custom cabinetry throughout with soft closed doors and drawers, all custom closets, engineered wide plank hardwood floors, tankless hot water heater, security system, 2-zone HVAC, and more. Add the fabulous location in the quiet Little Egg Harbor Yacht Club section of Beach Haven and just a few blocks from the action-packed events of downtown Beach Haven, and you have the perfect nautical getaway. This home won't last. Call today